chigabo
ochakane rumba ebubeli be
onkawa mesomagio chige chigabo
So, brother, when exactly are you coming back?
But I'll be back in 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
But what kind of business are you doing that will take you up to 2 weeks?
No, the business is too big that I can't meet up under 1 week. I have to discuss with my friends.
Brother Sam, Sister Abigail, you need to come and see this marvelous thing that happened now while I was fetching water.
What happened?
Honey fell from heaven into my bucket and filled the bucket with it.
Chike! Honey fell into your bucket.
Please stop talking nonsense.
But I tested it. It's a real honey.
You're sure you tested it?
Yeah. Come on, let's go and see it.
Let's just go and find it.
You can check.
Come, Chike, if you what you're saying is not true, I will deal with you. It's honey. It's real honey. It's real honey.
Come on in. Go wait.
I wanted to taste the honey. I wanted to see
My son, don't be afraid, because I am as sweet as honey.
I had a voice.
What voice?
You won't understand.
Are you okay?
I'm alright. The voice is telling me that Jesus is sweet as honey. Jesus, Manuel. Jesus, Manuel.
Papi
dịka gị ihe ga-asọgbu ebo papa ịdị ka mmanụ anwụ Jizọs ọ bụ otu aka ịdị ọ dị onye dịka gị ihe ga-asọgbu ebo papa ịdị ka mmanụ anwụ Jizọs ọ bụ otu aka ịdị ọ dị onye dịka gị